Let's make gourmet sabzi, the best stew in the world. It's the ultimate dish of what the Persian cuisine can offer. It's extremely herby, fragrant, with beef chunks that turn into literal butter. If you're ever served gourmet sabzi at an Iranian household, just think of the time, effort, and love that was put into it. Start by chopping the green part of 5 spring onions, a big bunch of parsley, dill, coriander, mint, and spinach. This is the perfect stew if you have wilting herbs in the fridge. Fry the herbs in a tiny drizzle of olive oil for 10 minutes, or till all the moisture has evaporated. Sauté a finely chopped onion in a touch of ghee, then add the beef chunks. I'm using cheap lean cuts here in order to withstand the long cooking process. Season with salt, pepper, a tablespoon of turmeric, a tiny teaspoon of fenugreek powder, and tomato puree. Add 4 lumis, or what the Persians call limo Omani, along with a cup of soaked kidney beans and the fried herbs. Fill the pot with water, and once it comes to a boil, drop the heat to a simmer, cover, and let it cook for 4 hours, while stirring occasionally. The stew should be ready when it turns into a dark olive green and the meat has started to fall apart. Serve it on a bed of Persian rice and enjoy!